Okay, right now we are here. We want to create a Google account, so we'll be clicking on this. We want to create a business Google account for our YouTube channel. Some persons have done this already, so don't bother. So for those persons that have YouTube before now, some persons that are YouTubers before now, so they ask us to verify ourselves. So I'll use my fingerprint. I've done that already, so it will open up. So if you have a Google account already, or you have a launched YouTube account, so don't bother about this step. It's just for beginners. This one is for beginners. So when we get to your level, you see how it goes. So right now I want to create a business Google account. So we'll click on this place. We'll click on this place. This place is a create account. We'll click on it. So right now we'll click on it. Then we'll click on to manage business. That is to manage my business. Click on it. Then it's open up. You put your name. You can use your real name here to create your Google account. You can still use your YouTube business name to create it. So right now, YouTube, I would like to use the name YouTube Masterclass. YouTube Masterclass. Let's see how it goes, if they will accept it, because Google is also related to YouTube. So I don't think if they will accept it. Okay, put your date of birth. Let it be valid, please. Let it be valid. Here, in case of verification, let it be valid. So click on next. Right now we have here, the first one says, the first one here is saying, this one is saying masterclass y937@gmail. The other one is saying y masterclass 0. We don't want this, so let's check if we can create our hours. Let's create YouTube. Let's create YouTube Masterclass. Let's see if it will work. No, they refused it. Okay, let's use Masterclass. Let's use the first one up here. As they have refused it, let's use this one up here. We are going to use this one up here. So let's use that one up there to do our work. So we'll be using Masterclass Y937. Okay, let's move Masterclass Y397. So right now we'll be working with our password. So they say we should put our password. Right now we'll be working on that. So I have my password already copied, so I'll paste it and I'll click next. So you put your password, then you click next. Right now you have to put your phone number to verify. Put your phone number and verify it. Okay, they'll send a code to your this thing, but that is not in it. So once they send it, you put it for them immediately. They have sent it to me, so I've input it. Then you click next. Once you are done with this place, you click next. Scroll up. You scroll up, then you click agree. You click on I agree. That means you are doing for these terms and policy. So once you are done with this, that is it. So right now we are loading back to our Google account. So that is it. You see, you are done with it. So that is how to create your business Google account. Bless you.